In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to WhatsApp status on any device, whether it's iOS, Android, or web. First of all, I'll be showing how to do this on an iPhone running iOS. So make sure your WhatsApp is updated. Go to the App Store, then search for WhatsApp. Now click on the Update button if any pending update. You won't be able to update if you have low memory storage. So please have free space to install the latest update. Now I'll start steps. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Next, click on the Update setting. On this screen, click on the camera icon. Then choose a picture or a video. You can set the song for 15 seconds for a picture or up to 60 seconds for a video. These criteria are identical for all iOS, Android, or web platforms. If your video exceeds 1 minute, try the Easy Video Cutter app to divide it into equal parts, enabling you to upload the whole video to your WhatsApp status with a song. Simply scan this QR code with your phone's camera and click the link to download in just a few seconds. After this, the screen appears as shown here, where you can see the new music icon. If you cannot see that, it means your WhatsApp app is not updated or your region still does not have this update available. So tap on this music icon. Dear friends searching for a specific song or artist to add to your status, or selecting a song from a list of popular tracks in your country. After that, tap the arrow next to the song you want to use. You can also create a status with music while viewing someone else's status. Selecting the name of the song displayed at the top of a status. Selecting the Add a Status with Music button in the menu that appears. Once you've chosen a song to add to your status, you can select which part of the song to use. This is not enough. You can make your status more attractive by adding a caption. From here, you can add a GIF or place text on the screen. Lastly, and in the last, you can choose the handwriting tool from here. Before the publish status, you can choose an audience. There are 3 options: My Contacts Accepts, and Only Share With. Choose one of them and click on Done. Finally, tap on the green arrow button to put your status. So this was how to put a song in WhatsApp status on any iPhone. Now, regarding Android phones, open the WhatsApp app on any Android device. Then, click the Updates button that appears at the bottom. Next, click Add Status shown above and choose a picture or video on this screen. You can mute your video sound by tapping on the sound icon here. Then click on the music icon. You can find music by song or type the artist's name in the search bar. After this, tap on the play icon to preview the music, and to add music, click on the right arrow icon like this. So this is preview screen before the publish WhatsApp status. To change track again, tap on the music icon and choose other song, like scroll and choose another song. On the below there is a track section, move it left or right side to go with a specific lyrics of any song, and in the last tap on the done button. Finally, click on the green arrow button to publish your WhatsApp status. For WhatsApp web, please follow my on-screen steps and choose a song to add to your WhatsApp status. So guys, from today, you can enjoy WhatsApp status with music as like Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching.